Hey everybody, welcome to Barbecue by Biggs. I'm Aaron, and today we're going to throw down some garlic parmesan wings. We want you guys to come along with us. Stay tuned. All right, with these wings, we're just going to keep them simple. We are going to cut them down. Let's take some kitchen shears. Get that end bone off. You look right here in the middle. Cut through this skin. Get it back a little bit like that. Take the kitchen shears and cut right through that end bone, just like that. So we'll get these cleaned up. And we'll get them seasoned up. Again, we're going to do these in the Buffalo Wild Wings garlic parmesan sauce. So as far as rubs, we're going to keep it simple with salt and pepper, a little garlic. We're going to let the sauce give us the flavor. So clean these all up. Get you guys back. All right, the secret to good wings is make sure you have a dry product when you start. We've already dried this off some, but we're going to re-dry it. Then we're going to introduce back some fat to these chicken wings. So we got some olive oil here. Pour some olive oil on top, just a smidge. Mix that up some. Just wash our hands off. Then we'll come back with the SPG blend. All right, today we're going to use Sucklebusters SPG. You can use your own SPG or just use salt and pepper that you got in the cabinet up there. This is made, so we're going to go ahead and use it. Just going to douse them real good. Add them to these cooling plates. That way they get a good flow of smoke around them. And they easily take on and off. So we'll get these loaded up and we'll meet you guys out there at the smoker. All right, we got these wings rubbed up, ready to put them on the Lonestar Grillz Smoker. We run it at about 275 degrees. With B&B charcoal and a little bit of post oak. So we'll get these on the smokers now. All right, so we're running at 275 degrees. We're just gonna put these in here right on the middle shelf. Again, they were just seasoned with SPG. We'll bring you guys back to look at them in about 45 minutes. See y'all then. All right, we got those chicken wings up to temperature. We're gonna pull them off, sauce them up, and get them back on. Let's do that. So we picked up at our local grocery store this garlic Parmesan Buffalo Wild Wing sauce. We're just gonna take about a half a tray at a time. Go ahead and put those in the bowl. And get those in the bowl. Take some of this sauce. Squirt some in here. It'll warm up a little bit, get a little bit thinner, and then we'll just coat these wings in the sauce. Just like that. Just want to go pop, 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 and get it going on. So once they're good and coated, we'll take them off, put them back on the rack, and we'll do the next batch. Put some sauce on. All coated up good. All right. Get the rest of these sauced up and then we'll get them back on. We're gonna put them back on for about 15 minutes just to allow the sauce to get a little bit sticky. And then we'll get them off here for a taste test. We'll bring you guys back then. All right, let's check them out. Oh yeah, they look great. All right, they're done. Sticky. Let's get these off. Ooh, smell good too. All right, we'll get these off and bring you guys in for a taste test. Be right back with you. Oh yeah, the best part of the day when we get to taste these wings. Let's get in here and get a taste of them. Let me show them to you right quick. Look at that wing. Smoky. Let's give this thing a try. Man, bite through skin. Woo! Garlic Parmesan, something else. You guys gotta give this a shot. You know those flavors, that smoky flavor, that garlic, that Parmesan on these wings. Guys, can't beat it. We'll catch you guys on the next cook. See you next time.